This is the Ulefone Armor 34, a rugged smartphone with a built-in projector. And the projector is actually very cool. I mean surprisingly good in terms of quality. The battery is massive. It almost feels illegal, but don't worry, it's completely safe and even allowed on planes. This phone is actually made for outdoor users and anyone who wants a phone that use for many hours. So let's get into it. Alright, let's check out the highlight of this phone, the built-in projector. The projector is placed right at the top of the phone, and yes, it even comes with cooling fans inside, two of them, to prevent overheating while you are using it. And it can project up to 100 inches on a wall, and that's pretty big, like a mini home cinema. It also features autofocus and keystone correction, so your video always looks straight and sharp. Perfect for camping, outdoor movie nights, or even business presentations. As you can see, this room is pretty bright right now, and yet the screen still looks decent in this video. And using the projector is super easy. It also packs a crazy loud 98 decibel speaker, which is great for watching movies or listening to music outdoors. And this weekend, I played some games on this phone using the projector. So I connected a gaming controller and enjoyed the experience on a massive 100-inch display. It was honestly a lot of fun. Unboxing the Ulefone Armor 34 Pro, you will find the device itself along with the several essential accessories. So inside the box we get a user manual, a SIM pin, a screen protector film. On the second layer there is the phone itself, big and chunky, a large 66-watt USB-C DP charger, and a yellow USB-C to USB-C cable which is 1 meter long. And now let's take a look at the Ulefone Armor 34 Pro. The design looks impressive and rugged, but it's definitely heavy, around 825 grams. It's built for extreme environments and outdoor adventures. This is heavy because of the battery and this projector. But the size and weight makes sense because you can use it for long term. On the back we have a powerful 1100 luminous flashlight with 585 LEDs. It's located on the back. So it gives you super bright illumination, perfect for camping or working outdoors at night. And there are two warning lights, which is red and blue. That is, emergency LED lights are also built in. So these are super bright in dark areas, and imagine when you turn them on inside a car, it almost feels like you are a cop. On the left side, this is our dual SIM slot, which you can put 2 nano SIMs and 1 micro SD card for expandable storage, volume buttons, and there is a customizable key for quick actions. The Use Smart Connector 2.0, a signature feature from Ulefone, which supports a range of accessories like endoscopes and microscopes. On the right side, there's a power button with an integrated fingerprint sensor and an extra projector shortcut button. So you can turn on the projector instantly. And don't forget, there are dual 2-watt cooling fans inside to maintain performance during extended projector use. The body is solid and durable thanks to the use of polycarbonate and aluminum materials. Let's talk about the display. The bezels are thick and especially the top and bottom. The screen is big, 6.95 inches, Full HD Plus, and it runs at 120Hz refresh rate. Super smooth, and it is protected with Gorilla Glass 5.2. And like all Ulefone rugged phones, this one is IP68 and IP69K. And of course, the military standard 810S certified. It means you can drop it, smash it, throw it in the mud, it's going to survive. But here what blew my mind, this thing has a 25,500 mAh battery. Like, that's 4 to 5 times bigger than normal phones. And you can use it for over a week. And when you need to charge, it supports 66-watt fast charging. You can even use it as a power bank, charge your other phones or other devices with this phone. Inside, it runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. And yes, it also supports up to 2 TB microphone SD. I think it can handle plenty of powerful games, streaming, and even multitasking. It runs on Android 15 with lots of cool features like AI recorder for meetings or phone calls. Gemini Advanced AI built in. You can see on the display there is a animated dog and it is a AI pet. So it can communicate with you, and there's one more thing, AI intelligence, and you can learn a lot of things from it. So it is basically an AI future, which is really nice, I think. Let's talk about cameras now. The camera model looks very beautiful on the back, and you get a 50 megapixel main camera, a 64 megapixel night vision camera with infrared LEDs, and a 50 megapixel ultra wide macro cameras. And of course, on the front there's a 32 megapixel selfie camera. Now I will show you the camera result so you will know the actual result of the cameras. Let's go. I'm recording a video from the front camera, which is 32 megapixel from Ulefone 34 Pro. This is the result you can get from the front camera. I'm recording a video at 1080p 30 fps. It does not show the fps but FHD, 1080p FHD. I don't think so the video is shaky at all from the front camera. Very nice result. I'm walking slowly. Nice. Okay, so while video recording you cannot zoom in and zoom out. Now I'm recording a video from the back camera, which is 50 megapixel main camera from Ulefone 34 Pro. This is not ultra wide. When I switch to ultra wide, it switched the video quality to 1080p, but this is 4K. This is 1x and this is 2x. So let me show you again. This is 1x, 2x. Wow, nice. And it can zoom till 4x. I'm walking slowly and now I'm running faster. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? So what's the price? Right now the Ulefone Armor 34 Pro is priced at around $699. Not cheap. But when you think about what it offers, projector, huge battery, LED light, rugged built AI tools, it is more like a phone. It is a power station, projector and a flashlight all in one. And if you are an outdoor lover, traveler, or even someone working in extreme environments, this could be the perfect all-in-one tool. And if you like this video, please guys consider to like and subscribe to my channel for more tech content. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.